So, ganito yan. Why would you give your pussy to a rich boy? Anong meron ng rich boy? Pera. So, gusto mo ng pera kapalit ng pussy. Tama? So, if that's the case, alam mo kung sino gumagawa nun? Diba? Whore, prostitute, pokpok. So, you're saying that willing kayong ibigay yung pussy nyo kapalit yung pera? Sabi nga dun sa isang video na napanood ko, women like to be treated as a lady, but also they want the freedom of a prostitute. Now, what they usually do is they turn into a prostitute or a whore during their prime of their beauty, 20s, mid-30s, and then later on settle down sa isang mayaman na lalaki. Now, while they're busy, pumping out their stats sa pagiging maganda or sexy nila, they forget na meron silang ibang attributes na kailangang pataasin. Like character, problem-solving skills, di ba? Other values that tinitake for granted nila. Kasi nga, during their prime, nahabol sila ng mga kalalakihan because of their sexual prowess. Now, as they age, of course, pa-decline yung beauty nila. Di ba? Pa-decline yung beauty nila, wala silang character, wala silang finesse, wala silang naipundar na other values sa mga sarili nila, kundi yung pagpapasexy, salamat doc, so on and so forth. What do you think would happen? Of course, mahihirapan silang humanap ng partner. Bakit? Bakit magtsatsaga yung mga lalaki sa isang segunda manong pussy kung meron naman dyang, bago and very much better, may finesse, may utak, may character, may values na babae kaysa sa ganyan. People keep on saying broke boys don't deserve love or pussy, as if relationships are supposed to begin only after life is already polished, positioned, stable, and successful. But real love has never worked that way. The strongest relationships are not pre-made. They are built when two people start with little, face uncertainty, overcome problems, and grow together through years, and money, success, and stability can come later. But the character of a relationship is forged through fire, through hardships, in the seasons when both people are still becoming who they are. Anyone can show up when the house is already built. The real question is, who was willing to pick up the bricks with you when there was nothing yet?